Imagine an animal so creepy it feels like it's from a horror movie. Meet the thylacine, aka the Tasmanian tiger. This wolf-like marsupial had stripes like a tiger and jaws that could open up to 80 degrees. But here's the creepy part. It could hunt in total silence, stalking its prey through the night. Unfortunately, human settlers saw it as a threat and hunted it down. By the 1930s, they were completely extinct. The last known thylacine died in captivity in 1936. But get this, some people believe they still roam the wilds of Tasmania. Spooky, right? Keep your eyes peeled next time you're out there. You never know what could be lurking in the shadows.